My father's battle with age-related fatigue began shortly after his 73rd birthday. Once vibrant and active, he gradually became withdrawn as exhaustion claimed his daily life. Conventional medical advice offered little improvement. Our breakthrough came unexpectedly during a visit to an international food market. A nutritionist specializing in longevity foods introduced us to Samani chicken, often called Lamborghini black chicken, for its luxurious status and completely black appearance. Skeptical but desperate for solutions, we decided to try this rare protein source. Within weeks, the transformation in my father's energy levels and overall vitality astonished his healthcare providers. Lamborghini black chicken, scientifically known as Samani, contains exceptional nutritional properties, particularly beneficial for those over 70. This Indonesian heritage breed possesses unique compounds rarely found in conventional poultry. Research from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology documents that Samani contains approximately 3 to 4 times the carnosine levels of conventional chicken. This powerful antioxidant specifically targets age-related energy decline by supporting mitochondrial function. The Mayo Clinic acknowledges carnosine's role in muscle function and energy metabolism, particularly important as we age. Natural decline in carnosine production begins around age 60, making dietary sources increasingly valuable. What makes Lamborghini black chicken truly remarkable is its melanin content. This rare chicken's flesh, organs, and bones contain natural melanin, the same compound that protects skin from oxidative damage. When consumed, these unique antioxidants help neutralize internal free radicals. A study published in Nutritional Gerontology found that certain compounds in black pigmented foods demonstrate superior bioavailability in seniors compared to synthetic supplements. This means your body can actually utilize these nutrients efficiently even with age-related absorption challenges. The amino acid profile deserves special attention. Lamborghini black chicken contains approximately 25% more branched-chain amino acids than conventional chicken. These specific proteins support muscle preservation, crucial during our 7th and 8th decades. Iron content in Lamborghini black chicken exceeds conventional poultry by nearly 30%. This matters tremendously since approximately 17% of adults over 70 experience iron deficiency anemia, contributing significantly to fatigue and reduced quality of life. Beyond energy benefits, this specialized protein source supports cognitive function through its exceptional selenium content. Research from the National Institutes of Health correlates adequate selenium with maintained cognitive performance in adults over 70. My father began with small portions twice weekly, prepared simply to preserve nutritional integrity. We found gentle cooking methods, poaching or light braising, maintained tenderness while maximizing nutrient retention. Preparing Lamborghini black chicken requires adjustments from conventional cooking methods. Its lean composition benefits from moisture-preserving techniques. Marinating for 2 to 3 hours before cooking improves both flavor and tenderness. Portion control remains important. Approximately 3 to 4 ounces per serving provides optimal nutritional benefits without digestive burden. This amount delivers approximately 27 grams of highly bioavailable protein. Sourcing quality matters tremendously. Seek specialty poultry farms that raise Samani chickens traditionally. These birds should be raised without hormones or antibiotics to ensure you receive clean nutrition without unwanted compounds. While more expensive than conventional chicken, the concentrated nutrition makes it cost-effective when measured by biological impact rather than price per pound. One quality serving provides nutrition comparable to substantially larger amounts of conventional protein. Within 3 weeks, my father noticed improved morning energy levels. By week 5, his afternoon fatigue had diminished significantly. The progressive improvements continued gradually but consistently over several months. What surprised us most was the improvement in his skin elasticity and resilience. The unique antioxidant profile appears to support not just internal health but visible external benefits as well. Those with digestive sensitivity often tolerate Lamborghini black chicken better than conventional protein sources. Its unique protein structure appears easier for aging digestive systems to process efficiently. Combining this special protein with colorful vegetables maximizes nutritional synergy. We found that pairing with orange and green vegetables created meals that supported sustained energy throughout the day. Those taking certain medications should consult healthcare providers before making dietary changes.